Hello and welcome to Floral Card Techniques with Color Layer Stencils. One of my favorite things to use when making cards is color layering stamps. So I was super excited to find these stencils that work in a similar way, but it allows you to do other different techniques. I'm Cheryl. I'm going to be teaching this class. Let's go take a look at what we're going to be learning. So these are the 4 cards that we're going to be creating in this class. I'm going to be using a package of stencils that will be linked on your supply list. There's 10 different flower stencils in that package. So there's a large variety of different flowers to choose from. So you don't necessarily have to choose the same flowers that I chose for the class. The techniques will work either way. So we'll go through each card step by step, and I'm also going to show you different ways that you can use these stencils and different techniques that you can use. You can combine them, you can alter them, and just have fun with it. I'll also show you a simple way to just add sentiments to your cards. All of the supplies that are used for the class are going to be on the supply list, as well as pictures of each of the cards. Some of the cards or some of the stencils have masks for some of the larger areas, and some of them don't. So I'm going to show you a quick way to make your own mask so that you can mask off certain areas so you don't get overlap where you don't want it. Now let's go create some cards.